From October 4th to 9th, 2025, Busworld Europe takes center stage at Brussels Expo. This year, Yutong arrives with 5 premium electric buses under the theme Think Eco, Move Green. At the exhibition, Yutong secured a total of 7 awards, receiving high recognition for its excellence in the areas of vehicle performance, safety, and environmental protection.
Yutong this time, we bring plus our T-Series, the premium coaches. This model feature with the CDC technology, which means continuous damping control technology, intercity electric buses IC12E. It's featured with battery 465 and with maximum range 575 kilometers, and the energy consumption is very low, only 0.67. Yutong new generation IC12E must be your first priority choice. Let's move to our U-Series, which is our best-selling product and also the mainstream product. A lot of variation and low floor, low entry, even trolley bus, and even double-decker buses. So this model can definitely fulfill your specific needs.
Core technology stands the test of time. Yutong introduced its industry-leading EV long life tech, ensuring vehicle performance up to 1.5 million kilometers or 15 years, maximizing life cycle value while driving major carbon reductions. Smarter fleets, smoother operations. Yutong Link Plus Fleet Management System 0.0 won this year's digital award. It brings intelligent management, predictive maintenance, and instant diagnostics together in one system, enabling smart management operation maintenance repair throughout the entire life cycle and making fleet management simpler and more efficient.
Was mir sehr gut gefallen hat, ist zum Beispiel, dass man die Haltestellenbremse über das Bremspedal einlegen kann. Das ist zum Beispiel an Ampeln ist das immer sehr hilfreich. Man muss nicht die ganze Zeit auf der Bremse stehen und so weiter. Also so vom Handling gut.
The seats are really comfortable and they have USB options for all seats, 2 USB options for your phone and your tablet and every device.
I like most the charging ports and I also mostly like the second doors because they are really wide and it's really nice to get inside the bus.
A promise of value for the entire life of your vehicle. Behind every bus stands Yutong's En Route Plus service, a full life cycle network built for fast response and tailored support, ensuring smooth operations and value that goes beyond expectations. As a global champion of green mobility, Yutong keeps pushing boundaries for better tech, cleaner mobility, and low-carbon solutions.
I liked it very much. The ride quality was very smooth. How the bus behaves while braking, while pushing the gas pedal, and also the steering. Very light, very normal. Everything was good about it.
Estoy sorprendidos, es la primera vez que vamos a una expo mundial. Muy bonito producto de Yutong, nos gustó mucho. Cimientos y viendo las marcas, todas el rendimiento que traes en los eléctricos es por mucho mayor.
Well, it's actually really surprising to see the development of all the coaches, and Yutong is really one of the highlights here at the Busworld because also if you watch the buses, you see the development, and I think the European, and especially for us, the Austrian market, where I come from, is ready for Yutong.
From world-class products to intelligent systems to full life cycle service support, Yutong is partnering worldwide for a cleaner,